I, in my last video, I briefly showed you how the mapping will work. Now I am going to show you how it's actually working. Uh, Actually, I published the backend for managing our reports that can be found at manage reports. This report at the moment I am running it on my local server, but it is deployed on our main domain, so you can browse from that. There it will work the same as it's working on my local machine. Okay, these two reports are actually at the moment available for a client. We can add multiple letters, and for now it's also dynamic. You can add new reports from the backend database. Okay, let's go and click on manage. You can edit these reports, delete. uh, you can edit it now, but delete will not work. I didn't want to delete this report too, because I want to confirm from you, do you want soft deletes or hard deletes, and how we will manage them. It's on up to us. This is just for us to manage our reporting backend templates. So let's click on templates. Here it's showing at the moment two templates has been created. I can add more templates if I want. Just click on add template, template name, sample, choose file. Actually this is the file of actual our template file, Excel report. Select this file, and now the important thing, here we have to paste the HTML template of this report. Let me show you the Excel template, HTML template. Here it is that I have created a template in HTML. Let me quickly show you how it look like. Not here. Okay, here you can see, here is the template of our report too. We can customize it same as the Excel template, like coloring, the coloring of cells and etc. But this is just a simple template. And here you can see this is the mapping. I didn't add other tables, but just to confirm and show you that the mapping will definitely work, I added a placeholders here, and it will replace when we generate actual report from this template. Let me grab these two tables. At the moment you can add full template to here, but at the moment I just want to add the upper table here. Let's go, and you just have to copy. Here is our first table, and have to paste it. Okay, our template has been saved. At the moment you can see now three templates are available, but I didn't set which template will be used by default. According to me, the latest template should be used by default, but we will decide later which template we want to allow the user to select, or if we want to go the direct by default selected template. We can decide it later, but at the moment uh, by default I think first template is using, in this. That is the test template that I have created. Let me delete all these two templates. So let's use this sample template that I have just created. Test template. Actually my local machine is connected with the server, so it will take some time to connect with the server. Okay, let me show you the thing. Okay, at the moment if I go and click on manage and mappings, you will see here at the moment there is no mapping added to this template. We will also add mapping to this template. Let's first delete these templates from the server. Here you can see two templates are available. Let's show you if there are foreign key relations, so I have to delete that too. Let's delete these. Delete it, and let's delete these two, not the one that we just have created. Okay, now let's go back and refresh. Okay, now the only template that we have just created is available. Let's click on manage mappings, add new mapping. Now this is the core thing that is responsible for filling up the Excel sheet and the report preview. What you have to do is to map our mapping keys with this. What is the mapping key? This is the mapping key. What value should be filled here when we are going to generate this template? Go copy, this will be our mapping key and value. Let's say I say any value no. Target Excel sheet 0. We can change this into drop down by selecting sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, but at the moment for quick solution just write 0. 0 mean first sheet, 1 mean second sheet, and 2 mean third, and so on. The target cell, if you see in the template, here is the no. And what is his target cell? The target cell, sorry, E10. So we have to write E10 here. It's mean when we download the Excel report, this value, any value norm, will be filled at location E10, the exact position. Okay, let's save it. Now let's copy Monda. Let's say USD target sheet 0 and E11. I think that was 10, and now it should E11. NO. At the moment I am just adding sample values, so don't worry, we will put the right values in the mapping cells. E12, yes, I think E10, 11, 13, 14, 14, GR mapping value, GR value, target sheet 0, Excel E15. Let's submit it to. Okay. Now if I go back and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 values have been added. 10, 11, 12, 13. There is no 13. 10, 12, 11, 14. Okay, we will fix that later. At the moment I am not downloading the Excel report, so that's why it's not important for me at the moment. Let's go and try to fetch for how it will work to the front end. Actually, for front end I created an API that is published on the domain 2. Let me open the API. Okay, here is the API. Before using this API, you have to authorize with our authentication server. After that, you can access to this API. Now you can see at the moment I am actually these are the values to be saved in the configuration table. So I am just showing you the quick how we will generate it an Excel sheet or HTML template for preview. This is the API link for the preview. For the preview, field 1 is actually Moenda, and field 2 is actually NO, and field 3 is MES, and field 4 is Mention. Let's go and send a request to it. Okay, now you can see it returned me an HTML with the table. Let's go to raw. Actually it's not showing complete here. Okay, if you can see updated value Moenda is actually ASCII unable to convert the special character, that's why it's showing error, but in the HTML page it will not show any value. This is the default value that we have stored from there, and updated value is actually field 1, that is Moenda, that, and field 2 2017, and MES month is January, and dia Mention. If let's say if we didn't provide the field 4, that is dia, then what happened? Then it will pick up the default values. For dia, what we have stored, for dia it's not actually getting the value. I have to see what's the problem here. Okay, that's it for now. I will do some quick fixes and will come back to you. From now, what I have to do is need your complete support, and I will also request to the front end team to develop the front end for this, so you can see the actual things, how we'll generate reports, and how we'll preview these templates in our application. So that's it. Have a nice day.